She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So we're doing another style on DJ, and his hair has been growing really nice, full and thick, which has been lovely, but we've had to try to, upkeep it, and I feel like it's been, it's a lot that we have to do now to maintain his hair versus when he was just getting it cut. So I know a lot of you have asked in previous videos what products I use on him, and to be honest, there's not a specific one product that I use on him. I kind of just use on him what I have, and my go-to is the Cantu Shea Butter products. So I'll use the leave-in conditioner, and I try to just put some oil on his hair, but I don't have a specific like regimen for him, which is probably not good. I probably need to get on to something, but I mean, his hair has been growing fine, so whatever we've been doing has been working. But we're doing a new hairstyle here on him before he goes back to school from winter break. And this is a style that I've been wanting to do on him for a while now. Actually, the last time I did his hair, this was one of the options that I asked him if he wanted. He went with a different hairstyle. So this time around, I was like, okay, we're just gonna go ahead and do it because I've wanted to do it for a while now. And these are the puzzled twists. I guess you can do them in whichever way. You can do braids, twists, whatever. We ended up doing twists. And when we got done, he did not like it. The first thing he said when he looked at it was, he said, "Mom, I don't like it." And I was scared because I was like, oh my gosh, 2-3 days before you go back to school, we're gonna have to do this over, which I was willing and ready to do if if we really needed to, because I definitely didn't want him wearing a style that he didn't feel confident and happy and good with. So I asked him what he didn't like about it. I asked him when he wanted to, do a new hairstyle, and he said, well, I like it. It's just that I didn't think that you were gonna do 2 twists in one section. So you guys will see later on that I split up each section into 2. And then I did 2 separate twists in each section. And the reason I did that is just because, again, of how thick his hair was. I felt like he had too much hair in just one section to do it all as just one twist. And then I wanted to do twists specifically and not braids because I just like the bouncy look. If you guys seen I think the last hairstyle that we did were like twists. They were a little different though, but the twist ended up coming out long, but then over time they kind of bounced higher a little bit. I don't know, I just like the bouncy look, so that's the reason why I went for twists instead of braids. And then again, just because his hair is so full and so much, I didn't want to just do one jumbo twist in one section, so that is the reason why I did 2 twists in one section. But he did not like that, and so because of that, I ended up doing the cubic twist, which you guys will see later on, which is just taking those 2 twists and twisting those together. I know I have posted this on my community tab. I posted like a picture of it, and someone said, they were like, oh, I like the style, but the twists has me puzzled. And yeah, so that's the reason why we went ahead and did that. Was just because we had already finished the style, and instead of just taking all of the twists down, I said, well, let me just try this. Let me just twist these 2 twists together, and then you tell me how you like it. And so when I did that, I showed it to him. He said he liked it. I asked him a million times. He said he was good. He said he liked it. He said he was okay with it. And so we left it as that. Now, for me, on the other hand, I absolutely love the parts. But after he told me that he didn't like the twist, I kind of was a little skeptical of the whole style altogether. That's just me. But I don't know. I think it's fine. I think it looks good, but it just was, I just wanted to make sure that he was really confident and really liked the style that he was wearing. I didn't want to force him to wear anything that he didn't want. So I was really ready and prepared to switch it up, and I just wanted, you know, wanted him to be comfortable. But he promised that he loved it. He said he likes it. So we did this style, and then you guys will see what it turns out to be. And then the very next day I took him in to get it cut for him to get a fade in a lineup. So you'll see once that's all cleaned up, once his hair is all cleaned up and everything, you'll see the final result. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Like I said, I really like the puzzled look. I think this is super cool. Yeah, I would definitely do this again, but I would try to find a different way to do the hair that is left out. So maybe some braids, I don't know, maybe do them smaller, much smaller sections. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think I should have done differently. Please be respectful because I love to block. That block button is my friend. But let me know what you think. If you like the style, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, or if you just liked the effort in me doing it, give this video a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I think that's enough rambling that I have to do. I'm gonna just let you guys continue to watch, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed. Hope you guys are having a great, happy new year. Happy New Year! Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace. Bye, guys.
Louisa. Mama. Peekaboo.
Freaking hilarious.
Peekaboo.
Yeah.
Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo. Don't tell me this. Yes.
Put your head down.
It's recording.
Yeah, it is.
I don't
Put your
Louisa.